Fashion photography demands crisp textures to showcase every fold and fabric detail. Today, how to create sharp fashion photography. Open Photoshop and start with a 3500 by 4500 pixel canvas at 300 dpi. Place your fashion shot and immediately duplicate the layer. Use the high pass filter around 2.5 pixels, then set the blend mode to overlay to enhance garment edges. Select the sharpen tool at 10 to 15% and go over intricate textures like lace, denim, or leather, being careful to avoid skin and smooth backgrounds. For areas requiring